Mach mean aerodynamic chord. MAGDEC magnetic declination. Maint maintenance. Man manual. MCD magnetic chip detector. MCDU multipurpose control and display unit. MCL maximum climb. MCT maximum continuous thrust. MCU modular concept unit. MDA minimum descent altitude. MDDU multipurpose disk drive unit. MEC main engine control. MES main engine start. Mid-middle. Min-minimum. MISC miscellaneous. MKR marker beacon. MLA maneuver load alleviation. MLG main landing gear. MLI magnetic level indicator. MLS microwave landing system. MLW minimum maximum landing weight. MMEL master minimum equipment list. MMI manual magnetic indicator. MMO maximum operating Mach. MMR multi-mode receiver. MON monitor, monitoring, monitored. MO motor. MPD maintenance planning document. MSA minimum safe altitude. MSB most significant bit. MSG message. MSL mean sea level. MSN manufacturer serial number. MSU mode selector unit. MTBD mean time between defects. MTBF mean time between failure. MTBR mean time between removals. MTBUR mean time between unscheduled removals. MTO maximum takeoff. MTOGW maximum takeoff gross weight. MTOW maximum takeoff weight. MTP maintenance test panel. MU management unit. MUX multiplex, multiplexer. MZFX maximum zero fuel weight.